Taking a look at our project plans, we have 2 rear legs on our project. Those rear legs are irregular in shape, and just as we did with the front legs, we will be creating an oversized blank that consists of 4 boards glued together. From this oversized blank, we can then shape down our rear legs. And if we take a look at our rough cut dimensions, those rear legs need to be a thickness of more than 3 5/16, which is the equivalent of 4 pieces stacked together, by 1 3/4 inches width by 37 inches in length. Much like we did with the front leg workpieces, we want to lay out 8 pieces 1 3/4 inches wide by 37 inches long. Although I have some material left from my front leg workpiece, I did have to grab 2 additional boards. However, one of the ends of one of the boards I grabbed has a bit of a defect area, and the other end also has a defect area. Now I need to be very careful because I need to surface a little bit off of these pieces to glue them together, but I don't want to have that defect deep enough that it's going to affect my ability to create a blank that is more than 3 5/16 thick. So these are some things I need to consider. So I think to minimize waste, I will be getting 2 of my pieces out of my remaining lumber. I will get 4 pieces out of one of my new pieces of lumber, and then I will cut off a little bit of my defect area so that I can get my remaining 2 pieces and still have a good amount of reusable waste at the end of this board.